Today, we will be discussing how a septic tank system works. This is your septic tank, and this is the partition known as a baffle wall that separates the main or inlet side of the tank, which is mainly occupied by solids, with a smaller outlet portion of the tank used primarily for liquids. As the tank begins to fill, notice how the water or effluent flows through the baffle wall and into the second compartment of the septic tank, while the waste and debris remains mostly in the main chamber. Over a period of time, the main chamber will begin to develop a scum layer made up of toilet paper, waste, feminine products, and other fats and debris. The heavier solids will separate and sink to the bottom, creating a sludge-like layer, while any waste or debris that has made its way to the second chamber will get caught in the filter located inside of the sanitary tee. This filter prevents solids from making their way into the drain field, which would be a potential risk for future drain field issues. We recommend having your septic tank pumped every 2 to 3 years to avoid backups. After being filtered, the wastewater then travels to the next component called a distribution box, where it is evenly distributed into the drain field. Some systems may bypass the distribution box method, while others will substitute it with similar products like manifolds. Once distributed, the wastewater will reach the drain field where it flows through and soaks into the surrounding soil. The drain fields are made up of ditches specifically designed with a certain material to suit each system's needs. Various materials such as rocks, chambers, easy flow, panels, or tire chips are typically installed for innovative, accepted, and conventional septic systems. Septic systems require routine maintenance to keep a healthy system and to help avoid major and expensive repairs in the future. We recommend having your septic tank pumped every 2 to 3 years to avoid backups and destroying your drain field. Also, having your filter serviced or cleaned once a year drastically makes a difference and helps prevent backups into the property. Schedule a septic inspection for your system about every 5 years to have an accurate account for the health of the septic tank, distribution box, drain field, and to monitor the flow of fluids throughout the system.